Now let's take a tour of Enagic's Osaka plant, located in the peaceful community of Katano, not far from Kyoto. We're just in time to join a group of distributors who are touring the plant. As usual, President Oshiro gives a lecture before the tour, and the visitors all listen intently.
アメリカのですね、アンバサダー、レッツと言いますから、元大使。これはスウェーデンの大使ね。登場でございます。一番の
There are so many visitors that they have to be divided into groups. This is the production line for the Level Up Deluxe. In an environment as clean as that for producing food or medicine, each unit is painstakingly put together. Robots are used in order to ensure uniform quality among the units. Wherever you look in the plant, you can see employees carefully inspecting the products. Here, each unit is undergoing flow inspection. This experienced inspector takes a great deal of time and care in checking the flow of the water and its pH value. The Enagic plant has adopted innovative assembly technology of the kind used by major manufacturers in Japan and the US. Instead of performing the same task over and over on an assembly line, the experienced assembly operators are responsible for putting together an entire unit from start to finish. This guarantees that Enagic products will be of high quality. This is a robot automatically molding a water purification filter case. All such parts are made by Enagic in its own plant. The Enagic plant is much more than a mere assembly plant. It is the embodiment of our policy of making the whole product in our own plant and taking responsibility for them when we deliver them to the customer. Even though manufacturing is automated, each unit is painstakingly inspected by human eyes and hands. This is a high-tech robot that forms electrode plates. We make all the small metal components in our own plant instead of ordering them from outside suppliers. Here, water purification filters are being made. For the inner parts, a hygienic environment close to the standards of a clean room is maintained. The latest machines imported from the United States produce packing materials that protect the product and even meet strict American packaging standards. Now we're in the Enagic Supply Center. This is where we receive and ship out orders for replacement parts and accessories from all over Japan. Enagic Service provides maintenance for our products and a full support system for our customers.